Damn, hey friends and family. Just got off work. One heck of a snowstorm. It's spring too. Yeah. I'm good. Thank you there. Thank you very much. I would talk, but I'm cold. It's been a rough day, as you can tell. Look at that. It's about 8 inches. Yeah, not close. Where am I at? Long 12-hour day, and I had to be on a different line. All of us did on our furnace 5. I had to work on furnace 2. Well, it was my choice. I had seniority over about 5 people. But as you can tell, spring is not sprung. Even though we're, let's say it's 24th, it's about 7:15. My heater don't work. The fan's on, but the heat don't work. I'm freezing, I'm wet. I hope everybody had a great weekend. As you can see, I've got to work tomorrow too. We all do, most of us. And I will be on a different furnace, lending my expertise to them. Now, my hard-working butt, that I know how to take the initiative to get things done the proper way, or how to delegate the work out if I wanted. But I normally don't delegate it out because I like to work. My van's a mess on the inside, so. That lady has asked me if I wanted to use the broom. She's nice. I should have said yes. But she just lost a daughter. Her daughter died. And it's so sad. She's been so upset. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm gonna call this good enough to drive. My phone's soaking wet. But truth, peace, freedom, and love to all. Yeah. Shelbyville, Indiana. Spring. Peace out. Same day, just a couple minutes later, I'm gonna show you my ride home. It is pretty nasty. I don't know if you can hear me, but hello everybody. This is James, also known as SS Art 98. Look at that church. See the steeple? Nope, there is no steeple and no people. This is Michigan Road, and it don't take you to Michigan, I don't think. Also known as 421. I'm heading south actually. Whoa! The whole front end of the car. I don't want to go in that ditch over there. It's 7 foot. It is slick. It's supposed to get down 25 degrees tonight, so all this is going to freeze big time. I got to do this again at 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's almost 7:30 now. Oh, mercy. It is a wet and heavy snow, I'm telling you. Tuesday night this week, we had a storm system come through. We were in the 50s, and then it got down to about 30, but we got a little over 4 inches of snow, and it was a crazy sideways heavy duty snow. I gotta be careful here. I don't want to go in these retention ponds. But yeah, we had 4 inches of rain or snow Tuesday night or Wednesday morning, Wednesday morning, and by Wednesday about 4 o'clock it was all melted and gone away. That leads you to a bridge that Knopf Fiberglass owns, and that's plant number 3 out there. Knauf fiberglass. Look them up. There's a nasty old steel building. O'Neill Steel. Used to be Shelby Steel. They don't make steel there, but they cut and bend and weld and do all kinds of stuff to it. Oh. That's the beginning of a bicycle trail and a walking trail they made for Shelbyville. The first. It's great. We're crossing the Big Blue River. Can't see it because they built this crappy bridge on top of it. Oh, there's the old Porter Pee Hole. Coca-Cola plant. I worked there for a year. I guess you're getting a tour on my way home. I'm gonna have to put it down here in a second though, because I got some construction coming up. I can't see my rearview mirror. I cleaned it off. This is our circle. They call it the square of a circle, but it's been here since Shelbyville's been here, and they're getting ready to. This is a north and south I'm going, but that road there, that's east and west. They're getting ready to cut this off and take this parking out of the middle. It's a really stupid idea. I don't know why they're going to do it, but nobody wants it done. They're going to be cutting the town basically in half. It's not good. Here's State Road 9. This turns. Actually, I'm on 9, and here in a second to be 44. I'm not paying attention. Luckily, I could stop. I slid about 30 feet. Sorry, shouldn't be texting or talking or using your phone while you're driving. But I'm gonna go all the way down where those green lights are. And there's the Strand Theater. They've done a lot of work to it finally. It's an old movie house that we. Oh mercy, I'm tired. As soon as I get the green light, I will turn this off. But again, I hope everybody had a great weekend. I doubt if I upload this the next day or two, maybe Sunday night. But be safe and just enjoy the ride for the next few seconds or minutes. Truth, peace, freedom, and love to all. As soon as I get this green light, we're gone. I'm about 3 minutes away from home. Oh, I should take you by that church. Another beautiful church. We got a bunch of them. This Methodist church is back that way. Here's our courthouse. One part of it. There's a Mason building, Masonic building, whatever you want to call it. And the jail's back that way. Never been in there, don't want to be in there. Well, I went in there to file a report one time, but that's it. There's Grandma's Pancake House, owned by some Greeks. Pretty good people, except for they're heavy-duty gamblers. Which is that doesn't mean they're bad people, but they definitely gamble a lot. They used to come out to the track when I worked there, and they would get mad when they lost their money, and they also were very, very dirty. They'd actually throw their cigarette butts on the floor, and we had carpet, or lay them on the table. There are tables, but okay. I'm about home. It's old Pearson School. We got a bunch of schools that are turned into housing units, I guess. It should be for the old elderly and disabled, but most of them aren't. They're for section whatever 8 or whatever the heck that is. People that on welfare and have a hard time. But I'm on Colescott Street now, which is actually 44 West. And now that you know where I'm at, don't stop by. No, I'm just kidding. Now I stop here at this little store and get my lotto for tonight, and then I just live a couple blocks up and to the right. So, truth, peace, freedom, and love to all. I'm gonna go visit Sonny. He's from Pakistan. Real nice guy. We helped him get gas pumps in there, which they're getting ready to install here in a couple, well, as soon as the winter. We went, I got those videos uploaded too when we went to the city hall and helped him get the zoning passed and all that. But you guys have a great day. Truth, peace, freedom, love all.